Okay, so while going through some things in my old toolbox, I found this old Boy Scout knife, and it's got a can opener. It's got a looks like a poker, like a tip. It's got a bottle opener here and a regular blade on this side. So I'm going to do a few things to this knife, try to get it where it's usable. And the first thing I want to do is take some Hobbs number 9 pistol and rifle cleaner, lubricating oil. Let me see, I've got this too, this other kind of oil. Let's see, that looks like that might be a cleaning oil there, I'm not sure. Anyway, so let's take this and put it all over the whole thing. Inside, outside, everywhere. Down in every groove. Every place a piece of metal moves. Even the back part there where you can put it on a keychain if you want. I'm going to cover the whole thing with oil. And just sort of let it sit for a little bit so I can get down into the remote parts of this little knife. There you go, look at that. So let's let that rest a little bit, and let's see what happens after we clean it up. Okay, so while this is soaking in that Hobbs number 9 oil, let's open this up all the way. If you can't open it up by hand because it's rusty, take a pair of pliers. I got some needle nose here, and I'm going to open this up. And let's see, there you go. I like to get this knife where I can use it again. And then what I'm going to do is take me a steel brush, get some of that oil on it, and I'm going to go on the inside of this. See that? And clean this thing. No telling how long it's been in my toolbox. I want to clean it. And while I'm cleaning it, I might as well wipe the top of it. Oh my, you gotta see this green. This green is coming back out. I'll show you in a minute in a picture. Here we go. There we go, look at that. Look at that emblem. You can really see that now. Old Boy Scouts knife. I'm gonna use this little brush to get all this crud off of it. You can also, if you don't have any Hobbs number 9, just try some WD-40. It probably wouldn't hurt at all. I've got some over here, but I'm not going to use it, at least not yet. I guess my hand might be in the way. Here you go, let me go left-handed. Okay, so I've got my Dremel tool hooked up. I'm going to take the attachments here and fold those back in so I don't cut myself. And I've got a Dremel tool. I'm going to put a little bit of polishing solution on it, or polishing compound. There we go. And put it across this piece of wood here. Hope you can see that all right. And let's see what we can do here. Here's my WD I'm going to use right here. Got a big old nozzle on it. It cuts out real well. It's bendable. Look at that. Put it anywhere you want around something and squeeze it. So I'm going to cover the inside of this and all around the grooves and all the hinges, even the back. Let it sit a little bit more. Then I'm going to wipe it down. That's going to be it. Okay, one more thing we want to do. We want to add a little bit of an edge to it. And let's do that. Put a little bit of oil on there. Notice how I'm pushing away from myself. And I'm going all the way across that blade. There is that lip here where if you cut this way, you're not going to cut yourself. There's probably 1,000 ways to sharpen a knife too. Look those up. But this would be good for what I need. Just a simple little multifunctional old working knife that I restored. Now I've got a piece of paper here. Let's see what it does to it. And I hope it works. Oh yeah, just like a razor. Look at that. Ooh yeah, that's a nice blade. That's a nice sharp knife right there. Let me do it another moment or two. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so here's the finished product. Look at this. Here's the knife here. You can see the emblem. Everything is nice, bright, shiny, clean, oiled. And you know what? I think I'll start carrying this knife. Anyway, thanks for joining me in my little presentation. I hope it's not too long. Please subscribe. Please share this with others. Maybe some young guys would love to see this. Maybe they have old pocket knives and they can, within 30 minutes, have it functioning pretty good. Look at that. It's even clean way on the inside of there. You can see the glistening and glow of the metal. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Bye.